They are unusually thrifty, hardy and adaptable to a wide range of feed and climate. However, these characteristics also suggest careful, kind handling methods. Brahmins like affection and can become very docile. They quickly respond to handling they receive, good or bad. Well-bred, wisely selected and properly treated, Brahmins are as easily handled as other breeds. They are also good mothers and produce a very satisfactory milk flow under conditions that are adverse for best performance of the European breeds. Cancer eye is almost unknown in the breed.